good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. It's been a long time since I posted a video. I think the last time I actually sat down and filmed was maybe about a month ago, and I didn't even post it. So I got some pretty exciting news. We moved. So we moved from Topeka, Kansas back to Las Vegas. We arrived yesterday into our new apartment, and I am so excited because this is something that I've been looking forward to for the last maybe month and a half to 2 months. I've been kind of just deciding whether I was going to do this or not. It was almost, I would say, spur of the moment type of thing. But nevertheless, I'm here and I'm excited. We got the keys to the apartment yesterday. Again, we drove from Kansas all the way down to Vegas. It took us 2 days to get here, but we made it. So right now I am standing in what is going to be my office. Let me show you guys real quick. So here is the office. That's where my desk is gonna be. I do get a small closet. I really like the way the doors open. We got like that double door opening kind of thing going on, like this. And then this is where you walk in the door. This is the main door. Okay, it's the outside. And then you walk in, and that's kind of like a, I don't know, like a laundry area, I would say. And then we do have a bathroom, and that's my son's diaper, don't mind. And yeah, he likes to take off his own diapers. We do get the washer and dryer, which I kind of find it a little bit weird that it's in the bathroom, but at least we have it in the unit. And then my kids' room. Again, we just got here last night, so everything is not, we have nothing in here yet. And this is the living room. We do get a patio, and then the dining room area, and the kitchen. It's kind of small, but it will do. I really like this really long area here. It's pretty big, just to prepare stuff. And of course, we're gonna be filming lots of videos in this kitchen. And then we got pantry and our bedroom, which we still don't have the bed in here yet. And we have a pretty big closet. And then the master bathroom right over here. Can you tell I'm a hoarder? Look at all my hair stuff. That's just hair and body, guys. I have a lot. That's me. So yeah, guys, I'm so excited for this new part of my life and this new journey. Of course, I'm gonna still keep vlogging, and I'm gonna try to upload again back to my regular schedule that I was uploading twice a week. And yeah, so expect more videos like this to come, more vlogging. And once I have my office set up, I will probably do a little bit more makeup videos. Also, like getting this room or this house or this apartment furnished and ready to go. We didn't bring any furniture from Kansas. Everything is gonna be bought here. So let's see how it goes, and let's see how fast we can get this house ready and in order. It's gonna take time. I already know it's gonna take time, but I'm so excited. Hey guys, so I'm back from a very productive day. I went and registered the kids at school, and they already started school. It's a great school. It's really close. I like it. The students and the teachers all seemed okay. It is the first day, so I try to be optimistic. And then what else did we get done today? We did go to the grocery store. We went to the 99-cent store. Tip number one, if you're moving out on your own, you got your own apartment, you starting out, you know, you don't have much money to just go and get, you know, the best of the best. Go to the 99-cent store. Went to the 99-cent store only, and we started our little bit of grocery shopping. Got me some spices, got me the basics, spent less than $100. We are a family of 5, and we spent less than $90 actually at the 99-cent store and came out with a bunch of stuff, cleaning supplies. Oh, let me show you a little bit of the stuff we got. I already put some of it away, but I just want to show you guys just real quick. Hangers, they are $1 and you get a pack of 3. I really like that they're super thin. We're gonna see how those work out. So I just got those for myself to start. Okay, so we did stock up a little bit on our pantry. Now keep in mind some of the stuff, most of the stuff is not for me, it's for my children. And also there is a lot of stuff here that are not from 99-cent store. Some of the stuff we did get in Walmart. So just pretty basic stuff. It'll keep us going for the next week or so. I did get these at the 99-cent store. Love, love, love to put their cereal in here. Nice and easy for the kids to pour them for themselves. I got these at Walmart. Very keto friendly. Also some pepitas, which are the roasted pumpkin seeds. These are so good. And then a few little stuff for the kids mostly. This is mine. Some tuna. We can eat that, but that's that. I did also manage to get these at Walmart. I was gonna say 99-cent store, but I didn't. But I did score a really good deal on these strawberries. I got strawberries at the 99-cent store, and I got these zucchinis. It's so good and really affordable at 99-cent store. And then we got these water jugs here. This one was $1.99. I think this one was 99 cents. And then what else? Got me some chilies at the 99-cent store. So we've stocked up just a little bit, you know, for the week, get us going. There are some dishwash soap and some dishy, like cleaning supplies. I'm sorry for that mess. You know, some cleaning supplies for to do dishes, and some cleaning supplies to clean the bathrooms. 99 cents, guys. So got that. For the bathrooms, we did get these shower curtains at the 99-cent store, and then some shampoo and conditioner for the kids, and also these really neat organizing bins. I got 2 different ones for our bathroom, but these are great just to store stuff underneath the sink, just to start off so that not everything's on the sink, you know, just looking all messy. So that's it for today, guys. I'm gonna go and fix some dinner for the kiddos and for myself, and then just relax. We had a great day, a very productive day, like I was saying earlier. Not only did I register the kids for school, we got some shopping done, some groceries, a little bit of organizing. I still have a long way to go. We did go to the pool and hang out just to reward ourselves for our hard work for today. Hey guys, it's Saturday morning kind of ish. We came back from IKEA and we got some furniture for the apartment, so I'm putting it together. I'll take you along as much as I can just because I have my family out here and not everybody likes to be on camera. So let me just show you some of the stuff that we got.
Mama. What this? No. Where's the cheese? Where's the cheese?
Smile. I am exhausted. We've put together the couch and the dining table or area is kind of set up. We're doing all of this on a budget, and I'm just showing you, you know, we moved here with nothing but the clothes on our back, and we even just bringing that was an issue because, you know, we had to bring 2 vehicles and we weren't sure if one of them was gonna make it, but thankfully we made it here safe. We didn't bring any furniture, so whatever we have so far is what we've just got based on our budget. So keep that with an open mind. I'm going in there nice and slow, using what we already have and just trying to buy as little as possible. We don't know, you know, what's gonna happen in the long run. We just want to make ourselves a nice little home and somewhere to just come to and relax at the end of the day and have a great time as a family. So far this is what the apartment looks like. If you have any tips on how to decorate a house within budget, please give me a shout out down in the comment section. You know, we've gone so far to the 99-cent store, picked a bunch of stuff there. We've gone to Walmart, got a few things there, and we've gone to IKEA and picked up quite a bit of stuff there that is very necessary and important. So let me give you guys a quick little tour of what we have going on so far. And yeah, again, let me know in the comment section. Peace. Oh, I'm also just gonna give you the quick tour and then I'm gonna go wash up or maybe go hang out by the pool. I don't know, I'm tired. So I'm gonna show you is my office studio. I did clear up quite a bit of stuff. I assorted kind of everything within here. This is just old, like some stuff I need to put away. I have my monitors. I still haven't set up my desk just because I'm missing 2 pieces and I can't seem to find them. So now we need to just go and try to get those either Home Depot. Hopefully they sell it. If not, I'm gonna have to just buy a new desk. It's something I really don't want to do. I don't want to spend any more money than I need to. And then my monitors. I have all my makeup, most of my makeup there. I think that's all of it. I did put some shoes back there. Have my ring light still in the back. I haven't set up anything in the closet. I just have the clothes on the floor. And yeah, so this is this room. I did manage to put that together. Look at how crusty my nails are, guys. Haven't even been able to do that. So I did put that together. And just a few more stuff here that need to get cleaned. And we move on to the kids' bedroom. We still need to get them some cabinets of some sorts, but we did get them some duvets. I still need to get the sheets and stuff like that. So far, this is what we have for them. And I decided to make this little area into like their homework area. I did have them put their shoes down here, and up here is just gonna be storage for extra stuff like their lunch bags and the, you know, toilet paper, the iron. So it'll be like a nice little drop-off section where we can drop off keys for now until I get a little piece of furniture that I want to put right here. So this is the kitchen or the dining area. As you can see, I used up this desk that I've had for maybe like 3 months. We did bring it from Kansas. That was the table that I was using for filming back at home, so we decided to bring it and we're just using it as a table. We did get these at IKEA. I will link the name of them down below, and we did get this rug in IKEA as well. As far as the kitchen goes, we did get this trash can in IKEA, and yeah, we just have a little bit of silverware and like kitchenware just because we're ordering some of the stuff is coming in through Amazon, so we're just waiting for that to arrive. But so far this is what we have. And then our fridge is pretty stocked up for everybody, just at least to hold us off until we have actual pots and pans to cook in. Again, those are coming in the mail sometime next week. So we are relying heavily on like quick and easy stuff like this, even though like some of this does not have, you need to open it with the can opener, and that's coming in. So we just gotta wait for that. But yeah, that's it for now, guys. I do need to get rid of this recycling. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. This video should be going up sometime soon. I'm gonna sit down and edit this. That way I can go ahead and put it up and have some content for you guys, because again, I haven't been uploading anything and I'm truly sorry for that. I will keep you updated also on my keto throughout my journey. Another day we'll go ahead and do that. I don't even have a scale, guys. We left our scale behind. So we're gonna have to rely on the good old clothes to determine what my progress is like. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, so I'm just gonna relax, have a good night, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Love you guys. Stay blessed.